Alright, so I'm going to start my winter prep on the farm, and the first thing I think I want to do is get my bees ready for winter. I got my bee suit here, or my bee jacket, and I just got this one hive, and they're really out getting, I guess, nectar now. I don't know where they're getting it at, but I'm going to go and check it, but I'm going to take that top box off. Hopefully it's full of honey, and won't extract it, and then I want to just have that one box for the winter, the bottom box. I think it does a little better, and I'm not one to be really giving much advice on bees. I'm probably the worst beekeeper in America, so my thing's got a hole in it too. So if you see this little piece of tape here, it's because there's a hole there, and I didn't think nothing. It's just a little bitty hole, about like that. But sure enough, I can't remember if it was last time or time before last, got in there, and that's quite the scary feeling, having a bee in your bonnet. And I suit up. I wear gloves. I know there's a lot of people, a lot of beekeepers that wear flip-flops and gentle bees and all that crap. Well, I don't do that crap. So, matter of fact, it's kind of wild back here because I come up here about 6 weeks ago, and I was going to clean this up, mow it down with my walk behind bush hog, and I got started on that front there, and I got stung about 6 times on my hand. And I said, well, I'm just going to wait till it gets really cold. They'll stay in there while I'm fixing all this, because I got to get all this cleaned up, because I got 2 more hives coming in March. It's almost first day of November right now. So, well, now let's see, it's October 29th. So I'm gonna get suited up. I'll put you over here where you can see good, and we'll see if we got any honey. And if we do, we'll kind of get the bees off. And I forgot my brush. Maybe I won't need it. And we'll light the smoker. I've lost my smoker. Well, Dad burned it. I have to go find my smoker. I had it sitting on the back here. All right, so let me go find my smoker. I'll get it lit, and we'll try to get started on this before it gets dark. Okay, so I'm suited up. I got my gloves on, got my smoker going. Got my hive tool. All right, so I'm gonna get the camera moved over and kind of angled down where we can kind of see on the inside of it, and see what it looks like. Yeah, it's not looking too good. As far as honey goes. Nope. Well, shoot. But, I'll save this box, and these frames, you can see they kind of started building this out a little bit. And See the wax and the sails, and I'll save this and for next spring so I get my head start. I just know a lot of people's gonna be disappointed. So I run a, let me see if you can see that. So I've run a queen extruder this year, first time ever. And I like it pretty good. Let's look down in there and see what they look like. Of course, as you know, anytime you fool with this, you risk killing your queen. So, oh wow, look at this. So they got a lot of capped honey there, or they're putting a lot of honey in there, and they're working on this. So that's good. Let's look at one more frame here, and then we'll. Lots of bees. A lot of uncapped honey, or nectar, I guess I should say. See a lot of bees, but I don't see no brood. I don't see no eggs. Of course, I don't know that she'll be putting a lot of brood out right now. I'll check one more. A lot of honey. I don't know. Kind of worried. Yeah, I have left those down in there before. All right, I'm gonna get this back together and okay, I forgot to mention that I use pine needles for my fuel. I actually get them from my church. They have some big old pine trees down there, and I go there and scoop them up. Big old. Usually in the first of the year, I'll scoop up a big old trash bag, and I mean it lasts me all year. Really pack them in there tight, and once you get them going, they go for a long time. As a matter of fact, it'll probably go probably 30 minutes or so if you pack it in there good. So that's one of the best fuels I've found. And I also use some mold dried hay, works pretty good. I like the more natural stuff. You can buy some pellets, and I used to use that when I first started, and some burlap, you can buy that, and that works pretty good. But I think these work, for whatever reason, it works better. It keeps them a little calm. All right, so kind of disappointed. I thought we'd have a lot more honey. I thought we'd have some honey. Really got a lot of honey out of that this year, but but the reason I did that is I need to do it anyway. I have done it in the past, just left them through the winter with 2 boxes like that, sometimes even 3. And they can't keep warm during all that. So I'm thinking now I'm gonna go from now on, I'm gonna go down to 1 box in the winter, and that way they can keep it warm. Here comes a truck. Okay, so I moved away from the bees. I didn't want to get attacked, so. But like I was saying, I think I've had pretty good luck in the last 2 winters, just keeping that 1 box, because they all cluster together and they keep each other warm from their body heat. And if you got a big area, they can't keep all that warm. So I am a little bit worried. I didn't see no brood in there. That means bee eggs, little eggs that they lay. Looks like all, well, there's one there I didn't check. So I mean, she probably slowed down, getting ready for winter, and she does the bare minimum of eggs. I guess they know when winter's coming, but they had a lot of looks like they had a lot of nectar in there that that's fixing the cap, so that's good. They'll have a lot make it through the winter. And I'll go back and check them probably on some warm day around Christmas, and if I need to, I'll put some feed in there. And that's just like I said, I'm getting 2 more hives or packages. And what I mean packages, I'll do a video about it, but it's just like 3 or 4 pounds of bees. You dump them in your hive that you have, and it comes with a queen. So I got 2 more of those ordered. So we're probably going to try to, since I'm retiring, I'm going to try to ramp up that aspect. And I can probably put maybe 6 hives over there. I know I can get 4. So I'll have 3 this year. Hopefully that one makes it through the winter. I'll have 3. I might even do some splitting, and I have to do some research on all that. So like I said, I'm not a very good beekeeper. Probably one of my weakest things that I do here. So anyway, but I feel good about the 1 box. Kind of worried about the amount of bees in there. Oh, there's a lot of bees. I'm kind of worried about the new bees, so, or the baby bees, whatever. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the next video.